Welcome to Lean Thinking Explained. In this video, we'll dive into the core concepts of lean and how you can apply them to improve efficiency in your work and life. Lean thinking is a powerful methodology focused on maximizing value and minimizing waste. It's about doing more with less. At its core, lean is a philosophy of eliminating waste and creating value for the customer. Let's identify the things that drain our time and resources. These are the areas lean aims to improve. Think about where you spend your time. Often, it's these culprits: unnecessary steps, waiting, rework, and mistakes. Lean isn't just for factories. It's a versatile approach applicable in many different sectors. You'll find lean principles used in manufacturing, IT, healthcare, education, and even our daily lives. The heart of lean is identifying and eliminating waste, also known as Muda. Waste, Muda, is anything that doesn't add value for the customer. We have 7+1 types of waste to be aware of. Lean thinking is guided by 5 core principles that help you streamline processes and maximize value. These principles are: define value, identify the value stream, create flow, implement pull, and seek perfection. Let's look at a simple example of applying lean. Making coffee at home. We'll examine the current process of making coffee and identify areas of waste. Now it's your turn. Let's think about how you can identify waste in your own processes. Select a simple process from your work or personal life, and let's find the waste. Let's reflect on the challenges and opportunities in implementing lean in your work/life. Identifying waste can be tricky. What seems obvious to one person might not be to another. Let's summarize the key insights of lean thinking. Remember these for effective application. Focus on value, eliminate waste, establish flow and pull, and continuously improve through Kaizen. It's time to take action. Let's put what we've learned into practice and share our experiences. Choose one area of waste and one small change you can make. Share your idea in the comments below and support others' ideas.